Good morning everybody, this is Alex and today we're going to South Wales. It's wild camping time, no campsites, no luxuries, just me, some gear and probably a fox or a sheep, judging my cooking. First we need to fill up the car and then we get some groceries and hopefully by then we're gonna be there. First stop done, second one, groceries. Still 2 hours 45 minutes left. But now we have a tank full of gas. London is pretty good. The traffic isn't that bad, so let's go. Right everybody, this is Prince of Wales Bridge.
Would you like a receipt?
Right guys, I think I have everything. Now all we have to do is to get to the parking spot and then start climbing. Tiny and it's cute. These lambs are. And this is a parking spot. Hopefully it's good. Made it. The final destination. There's a car park right behind me. I've asked the guys if it's alright if I leave the car overnight. They said that's a farmer is coming. So I left 5 pounds around the car somewhere. Maybe you can spot it and take it. It's going uphill. It's gonna be fun. Right? I need some carbs before this hike because it's absolutely it's hard. Halfway through. Stay strong. Right guys, so I'm just going down now. I don't know if you can hear me, but because the wind is blowing so hard. It's nice. £100 truck. Right everybody, I think I found a space. This nice area, it's kind of flat. I think I can set up a camp. That view behind me, which is kind of cool, not gonna lie. Right, the tent's set up. I need to inflate the sleeping mat, get the sleeping bag out so it can get air because it's from down. And let me show you guys around because now the sun is out. So nice, so lovely. I'm so glad I'm here. Hopefully I'm gonna sleep like a baby. Oh. This is the tent that I'm using for this trip. Truck range, Nordic Links 2 from Robins. This tent is a 4-season tent, so winter camping, anything. You can go anywhere with it. It's a bit big. If you want comfort, you get this thing. But if you want to go climb that mountain over there, I don't know where it is. Yeah, somewhere behind me. If you want to go there, just I don't think it's the best choice, but it's alright. Right, so for tonight I'm gonna cook something that was my fiance's idea actually. I'm gonna cook baked beans with sausage, which is chorizo in my case, and then I'm gonna have something that is you can't go wrong with this thing. It's honey butter. If you don't know this, you're not a truly outdoorsman. So yeah. Straight. No, I'm gonna put the whole thing. Yeah, I made a mess like every time. First I wanted to eat outside, but the wind was blowing too hard. Baked beans, chorizo, plantain chips made by me last night. Pretty damn good to me. Very hot, piping hot. I feel so blessed right now. I feel so connected to nature, I feel so connected to God, and I feel like this place is unique and great, exactly as it is. It's so nice. And this food, 10 out of 10. Shout out to my fiance. Has the best ideas ever. All day, every day. Well, that was fantastic. Now I need to do the dishes. Sleeping bag is rated at minus 36 degrees. I think I'm gonna be warm enough tonight. Hopefully, fingers crossed. So if you want to be a truly outdoors boy or a man, you have to combine those two things. This is raw, unfiltered honey from Australia. Alright, so this place is really cozy. I just stay for I just lay down for 5 minutes, and it's super cozy and it's nice. It's not that cold in here. I bet it's gonna be colder because it's only 8 o'clock. I'm just gonna change, put some new clothes, warm clothes, and then relax and just enjoy the weather, enjoy the day, and just chill. Alright guys, it's not that late. It's around 7:50, but I'm exhausted, so I think I'm gonna hit the bed. Hopefully I'll wake up around 6, probably 5:36, so I can cook something, and then we need to go down to the car. So well guys, that sunset is just amazing. Just look at that sunset behind me. I know it's past that ridge, but it's so nice. It's so nice here. It's so quiet and chill. It's lovely. Well, good morning everyone. I'm telling you, I slept like a baby, and this sleeping bag is so warm. It's so nice. As you go to the gym or do any kind of sport, the same is with the mind. You have to train it in order to have resilience. I've been meditating for 20 minutes a day for probably 2 years now, and it's the best choice that I've made. It's a non-negotiable for me, so every single day, every morning, or whenever I find time, I just need to find time, because it's the best thing that I can do for myself, for my health, and for my well-being. You don't have to listen to any fancy thing. You just need to be quiet and still and to follow your breath. That's all. It's cold. It's cold. I'm gonna take the inner sheet out this time. Previously was set on the tent, but now because it was condensation and stuff like that, I need to take it out home as well, clean it so it doesn't get moldy or stuff like that. It didn't rain, but you can see it's wet from condensation. It didn't rain at all, so you see how much condensation there is, but it's not on the inside. But yeah, I'm gonna take this part off. Everything else is set up. I have everything, sleeping bag, everything else, food. My plan was to make some eggs this morning, but to be honest, I'm not that hungry. I don't really want, so it's alright. Whenever you go camping, you have to find places like this, flat and with some sort of a cushion, like grass or something like that. If not, you can camp on flat areas, rocky, but you need a great mattress. And you have to be careful not to penetrate the bottom of your tent. Keep an eye out for that. Everything's in place. You always need to take care and see if you left something behind or there's some garbage. There it is. It's not mine, but we have to take care of nature. Doesn't matter. Tell you, this was a fun trip. This feels so right. Being out, like the air is, it's so nice. The ships leave a lot of wool behind. They like to scratch on those things, and the wool is getting stuck to the wood. Welcome to London, everybody. Final destination, home. It was great fun. Can't wait to go back. Can't wait to go North Wales this time because it's more rocky, much more wilder than the south. I'm definitely gonna like that. So keep an eye on the channel. Till the next time, this is Alex.